Okay students, welcome back to my channel. This is Harsh and today we will study exercise 1.3. So let's begin. Our first question is make correct statement by filling in symbols, subset or not a subset in the filling in the blank spaces. Our first part is 1 2 3 sorry 2 3 4 2 3 4 dash 1 2 3 4 5. So what will come in this space? Subset or not a subset? Think on it. Yes, subset will come because 2 3 4 are in this set as well. Okay, now next up we have ABC dash BCD. Now what will come in this? Not a subset or subset? Subset will not come because A is not present in this set. That's why we will use not a subset. Okay. Third part is X is related to X such that X is a student of class 11th of your school. X is a student of class 11th. I'm writing not your school because here space not great. Okay, and the second set is X is related to X such that X is student of your school. Is student of your school. So what does this sentence mean? The second one, I think if you are a student of a class 11, then you are must then it is must that you are studying the school. That's why subset will come. Okay, the fourth part is, no, I will write the fourth part after because here the space is less. So student, pause the video to note it down. Our fourth part is X is related to X such that X is a circle in plane, and the second set is X is related to X such that X is a circle in the same plane. X is circle in same plane with radius 1 unit. One unit. Okay, so what does this statement means? Think upon it, take your time. I think in this statement the circle can be of the greater radius than 1 unit. That's why this is not subset. If it was like that, X is related to X is a circle in same plane with radius 1 unit is a subset of X is related to X is a circle in same plane. Okay, now moving to the fifth part, we have X is related to x is a triangle in plane in plane and x is related to x due to x is a triangle in plane is a is a rectangle in plane. Okay, think upon it. This is one of the most important question which comes in the board exams. Okay, I'm marking this hash. Think upon it. Now see here, I'm making the figure here. Okay, consider this as a triangle. Its length is L, breadth is B. Okay, and if I take a equilateral triangle or a scalene triangle, the sides can be like this. Okay, two sides are equal and one side is different. That's why it is not necessary that a triangle is a subset of a rectangle. Okay, that's why it is not. I am filling here not a subset. Okay, pause the video to note it down. Moving to the sixth part, we have moving to the last part of this question, we have so what does it say? It says x is related to x such that x is an even natural number, is an even natural number. Okay, so space x is related to x is an integer. Remember students, I told you before starting of this lecture that it must there it must be there that you must memorize integers and natural numbers. Okay, and so what are integers? Integers are those number which start from minus infinity to -1, 0, 1 until positive infinity. Okay, and natural numbers are the numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 and till infinity. Okay, students, don't be confused in this, that natural numbers are also represented by n and integers are represented by z. If the examiner asks you that x and x is related to x is an even n and space x is related to x is an z. Okay, there is no need to be confused here. The n will mean natural number and z will mean integers. Okay, now think upon it. Here subset will come. Okay, because 1 2 3 comes in this category. Okay, moving to the second question, we have so students, our second question is examine true whether the following statements are true or false. Examine true or false. Our first part is a b is not a subset of b c a. Now students, look at it. Does AB are present in this set and this set? Yes, but it is written here that is AB is not subset of BCA, no matter what is the arrangement. Okay, that's why this is a subset, and here subset is written there. Here it is written that it is not a subset. That's why it is false. Okay, moving to the second part, we have A E is a subset of X is related to X is a vowel in English, is a vowel. Okay, so what are the vowels in English? I think A, E, I, O are the vowels. So is A is a subset of A, E, I, O, U? Yes, it is true. Okay, now I'm writing yes for the true. Moving to the third part, we have 1 2 3 1 2 3 subset of 1 3 5. Look here, 2 is not present in this set, but it is present in this set. That's why it is not a subset. I'm writing false. Okay, fourth part we have is a subset of ABC. A B C. Okay, it is given here straightly that A is a subset of A because A is coming here as well in this set, so it is true. Our fifth part is A belongs to ABC. A B C. Think on it. This is a very important question from the exam point of view. I am marking this hash because this is important. And so note that A doesn't belongs to ABC, but this is a subset of ABC because when we write subset of a set, we write A B C and furthers. Okay, that's why this is not a that's why it doesn't belongs to ABC. That's why I'm writing here false. Okay, students, I'm leaving the last part for you guys. If you have any problem, write me in the comment section. I will reach you there. Okay, moving to the third question we have, and before moving to the third question, pause the video to note it down. Okay, so students, our third question is, this is a very long question. Let A is equal to 1 2 and 3 4 and 5. Which of the following statements are incorrect and why? Find out incorrect. I'm writing here incorrect only. Moving to the first part, we have 3 4 subset of A. Now look here, is this a subset of A? No, this is not a subset of A. That's why I'm writing here false. Students, note that 3 4 is not a subset of A. It is, if it was written here that 3 4 in these two brackets, because before 3 4 it is written here 1 2 and 5. That's why it is not a subset of A. That's why I have written here false. Okay, moving to the second part, we have 3 4 belongs to A. Yes, this is true because 3 4 belongs to A. There is no question about this, and if you have any doubt, write me in the comment section. I'll reach you there. Third part is 3 4 is subset of A. Okay, now it is written here. I told you this before in this first part, that's why here true will come. Going to the fourth part, we have 1 belongs to A. Yes, 1 belongs to A. Students, note that in this A set there are two sets made in it. Okay, 3 4 is subset of 1 2 5. Okay, there's nothing to be hesitated if it come in exam. Okay, moving to the fifth part, we have 1 is subset of A. No, 1 is not a subset because it is not mentioned in these curly brackets. If it was mentioned in these curly brackets, it was a subset, and in this part it was not mentioned in this curly bracket. If it was mentioned in this curly bracket, it was no. Okay, moving to the sixth part, we have 1 to 5. 1 to 5 are subset of A. Yes, 1 to 5 are subset of A. I told you earlier. Okay, so pause the video to note it down. Moving to the seventh part, we have 1 1 2 5 belongs to A. Yes, this is false. I won't explain you again and again for a single part. Seventh part is 1 2 3 is a subset of A. False, because there is no logic behind it that 3 is also included from this subset. Okay, moving to the ninth part, we have 5 belongs to A. So note that 5 is always a subset of a set. Okay, it doesn't belongs to A, that's why it is false. Going to the 10th part, we have 5 is subset of A. 5 is subset of A. Yes, 5 is a subset of A. It is true. This was what I explained in the 9th part, and 11th and the last part is 5 is subset of A. False, because 5 is never mentioned in this curly brackets. Okay, pause the video to note it down, and moving to the fourth question, we have, students, we will cover till fourth question in this video because the length of video will be greater than the 20 minutes. And so our fourth question is, fourth and the last question of this video, write down all subset of the following set. Write down all subset of the following set. All subsets. Okay, first part is A. So subsets of A are 5 and A. That's it. Second part, we have AB. AB. Okay, we have 5 A, B and AB. Moving to the third part, we have 1 2 3 5 1 2 3 1 2 1 3 2 3 and 1 2 3, and that's it. Students, do you know what is the formula to calculate the total number of subsets? It is 2 to the power n, where n is the number of elements in the set. Okay, let's count to verify. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. It verifies the formula 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Okay, I am erasing for the fourth part. So our fourth part of this question and the last part of this video is 5, and the subset will be only 5. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe this video.